Hi, guys. Welcome back to another lecture series of Pediatrics. This would be our lecture 3. And in today's video, we will be covering pediatric dental materials such as stainless steel crowns, pulpotomy versus pulpectomy, local administration of anesthetics, some dosage calculations, and dental emergencies which you can encounter in a pediatric setting, as well as an adult setting, but majorly like how would you encounter and what um, what steps we should take for that. So, starting with restorative, for posterior baby teeth, there the options are composite, resin modified glass ionomer or RMGIC, stainless steel crowns or zirconia crowns. For anterior teeth, you have composite strip crowns, stainless steel with porcelain facing because it's aesthetically look